Focus on your breathing by taking deep, cleansing breaths in and out, in and out. With every breath, you relax a little more. The muscles in your face relax. The tension leaves your neck and shoulders as those muscles relax. Your arms relax. Your back and your torso relax. All the stress and cares of the day are draining away harmlessly into the earth through the bottoms of your feet. Your hips relax. Your buttocks relax. Your thighs relax. All the stress draining away. Your knees relax. Your lower legs relax. Finally, your ankles and feet relax. All the cares of the day have drained harmlessly from your body into the earth. You are relaxed, you are at peace, and ready for magic. Imagine yourself in your favorite place, a place where you feel comfortable and safe. You are serene, just letting your senses go and relax completely. You hear the soft sound of a Tibetan singing bowl ring. The sound reverberates in your body. With each ringing of the bowl, you are grounded and centered. You feel your chakras become balanced, opening where needed, closing a bit where needed. You can feel the subtle energy that emits from your surroundings. You feel so alive and happy. You are perfectly one with the universe. You are one with the divine. You are protected by a pyramid of pure, divine, white light. A magical door appears before you. It's so beautiful. It has beautiful carvings in the door and in its frame. It's so inviting, and it beckons to you. Place your hand on the door handle and open the door. Inside the door, you see a vast expanse of magical white light. You can see little pulses of varying colors of light flicker and travel across the expanse. It's so beautiful, peaceful, and safe. Walk through the door. Even though you are standing in the midst of beautiful white light, it feels like you have a floor beneath you. You have no fear of falling. You have a sense of purpose, a sense of a higher power, a sense that you are a very important part of the universe. You feel a presence next to you on your right side. It's a very familiar feeling, but you can't quite place who is next to you. A shape begins to take form next to you. You are not afraid. All you feel is love and light and protection. As the shape begins to take a solid form, you hear a voice inside your head. The voice tells you, I am your guardian. I have been with you all your days, from your first breath and beyond your last. I will be by your side, keeping you safe and protected. Your guardian appears to you fully formed. You will feel safe, protected, and loved. Remember what they look like. You ask your guardian their name. They lean into you and whisper their name to you. Remember their name. Your guardian tells you, I am here to protect you and walk with you on this journey into an expanded consciousness. Your guardian takes your right hand and says, come with me. You walk together further into the expanse of time and space. The pulsing lights flicker all around. You feel another presence next to you on your left side. You have no fear of this presence. It begins to take form, and you hear a voice inside your head say, I am your spirit guide. I have been with you for all your days, from your first breath and beyond your last breath. I will be by your side, guiding your way. Your spirit guide appears to you fully formed. You feel safe. You feel comforted by this presence, almost as if a steadying hand is leading you. You feel loved. Remember what they look like. You ask your spirit guide their name. They lean in and whisper their name to you. Remember their name. Your spirit guide says, do you see all the pulses of light around you? These are the events of the past, the present, and the future. These are the events of this lifetime, lifetimes past, and lifetimes yet to come. Your guardian and I will be with you always. You see other shapes form around you, some appearing very clear to you, and other forms have features you cannot discern. Your guardian says, these are all your guides and guardians. They are helpers during this lifetime, past lifetimes, and those yet to come. Do not fear them, for you are protected. Your spirit guide says, when you are ready, you can unlock the mysteries of the universe here in this realm. All your guides and guardians will aid you. But for now, you must return to your physical realm. Just know that we will be beside you every step of the way. Your helper guides and helper guardians begin to fade. You feel your spirit guide release your left hand and fade. You then feel your guardian release your right hand and fade. You turn and walk back through the ornate door, you are now back at your favorite place. You are safe and you are loved. As I count back from 10, you begin to return to your common senses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whenever you are ready, open your eyes.